Today I'm making Lucky Charms cookies. First I have these Lucky Charms cookies that I'm going to place on a lined baking sheet and then bake this at 350 for about 15 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to make the marshmallow frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of marshmallow fluff. Next I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix that up until it's combined. Now the cookies are cooled, I put them on a plate and I put the frosting into a piping bag, and I'm going to pipe some of the frosting on each cookie. Next I have a bowl with some Lucky Charms cereal. I'm going to dip each cookie in the cereal and then put it back on the plate. Here's an up close look at the Lucky Charms cookies.